Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see looking ahead. Okay, see, now we have seen a continuous uptrend from April 2021. Okay, and now what we have seen that it was in this particular zone. Okay, and once this zone has break upside, we have seen was in this particular zone. Okay, and from there it is continuously down in the downer side. Okay, so if we look at the chart, what we can see that this level is already tested. Okay, which level? 61.96. so keep this in mind that if the price goes below a level of 63, then there will be a high probability that it can go and touch a level of 60.5. Once this level is crossed downside, then we can see further low. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, see, now look at the chart. What we can see, the price is coming at around 66.39, and I have already told you that keep this in mind, a level of 62.49 or 63. Okay, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 60.89, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 60.08. Okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 58.74. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 57.94, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 57.40. Okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then it can go further low to a level of 53.92. okay, or it can go further low to a level of 51.24. so what you have to keep in mind that if the price goes below a level of 63, then keep this in mind that there is a probability that it will go below a level of 61.69, because this level is already tested. So chances are high we can see a level of 60.35, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 58.21. okay, and from there we can see a level of 57.40. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then probability is that it can go and touch a level of 53.92. okay, and suppose if the price sustain this level, then there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 68.65. okay, and further it can go to a level of 69.19. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 70.8. okay, and this 70.8, so suppose, and this 70.8 is already tested, so chances are high we can see it can go further upside to a level of 73.21. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 75.08. okay, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 76.69. okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 78.30, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 70.89. then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 73. Price sustain of this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 75.55. okay, and if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 76.31, and from there we can see a level of 76.85, and this level is already tested. So chances are high if it sustain above 76.75, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 77, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 79.35, and from there we can see a level of 80.54. so suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 81.62, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 83.25. suppose if the price sustain of this level, then we can see a level of 83.90. okay, and once the price comes close to 83.90, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 85.32, because all these levels are tested. So what we have to do is keep in mind that once I've already told you that what you have to keep in mind, if the price goes below a level of 63, keep this in mind that it can go further. above a level of 70.57, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 73.22. From there we can see a level of 74.33. if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 75.58, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 76.83, or it can go further upside to a level of 79.20. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 81.56 also, and from there we can see a level of 83.37. once if it comes close to 83.37, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 85.5, and it can go further upside. okay, any doubt you can mail me. I have already given you my mail ID in the description, and workshop also you can mail me, because then we can work out where you need to work on. I focus on mind psychology as well as hedging and strategies where you can work and reduce your losses. See, now one important thing I have to tell you, that if you are trading with $1,000, okay, then you should not be using your full capital in particular trade. What you should be doing around 10 to 20% when you're trading in this particular trade. okay, so and 10 to 20% you're using a particular trade, then what you should be doing, you should risk will be 0.5 to 1%. okay, so suppose if you trade with 1,000 in a particular, then your risk will be $100, so that it will not affect your next trade. okay, that is very important, because once you come in a position of recovering the amount, then you can lose your capital also. okay, suppose if you made 100 to 200 or $500, which is as per your risk. okay, once this 100% profit comes down to 70%, please exit the trade for the day, because this is some of the rules that you have to follow if you are want to be a good trader. any doubt you can mail me. I'm there 24/7. you can try to solve your problems. okay, so so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.